Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram video call blur problem. So guys, when you have make a video call on your Instagram Messenger and facing that your video call is blurry, I'll help you how to make your video call clear and guys how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, there is network problem or internet problem in your iPhone. So guys, first of all you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, you need to connect with strong Wi-Fi. So guys, if not, you have to turn on your mobile data, and guys, after doing this you have to reset your network settings. So the main reason of this problem is your network problem. Simply when you have reset your network settings, then your problem will be fixed. And guys, after this you have to check VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN on your iPhone, then you need to disconnect all the VPN that you have connected. And after doing this you have to go back and guys check your update. So guys, simply you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and here you need to search Instagram, and guys you need to check for update. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your Instagram app, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, you have to open your settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage, click on Instagram, and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again from app store and log in again your Instagram, and guys, after this problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.